guys, welcome back. Today I'm sharing another dollar store Christmas decor video, except this is all they have left at the this is all that's left at the dollar store. It's sad times. It's very picked over, but I'm going to show you what you can create with your dollar store leftover stuff. The snowflakes are pretty great, the Christmas bulbs are okay, and let's see what we can make now. The Dollar Tree has these faux mercury glass candle holders, and I just spread around some Dollar Tree Christmas bulbs to make a centerpiece for just a few dollars and in just a few minutes. You can definitely make a sad and old Christmas tree look so much better by wrapping some dollar store garland to really fill in those blank spaces. And the dollar store has great ribbon this year. I found this gray and silver ribbon from Dollarama, and again, it helps to hide in those little holes in this very old, very inexpensive tree. I'm loving poinsettias, and they're such an inexpensive way to add a pop of color, and they look really high-end. Actually, all of the decorations are from the dollar store, but my favorite are definitely the snowflakes. You get a pack of 6 for just $1.25.
So right now I'm gonna give it a try. And so all of you.
I added 2 packages of the Dollar Tree Christmas balls to this lantern I already had to update it for Christmas for just $2. I used 2 strands of garland from Dollarama to add to the mantle, and I'm loading it up with different ornaments from both the Dollar Tree and Dollarama. All in all, I spent under $50 and under 1 hour decorating this entire basement.
Like so many a time before. And if you've been really good, it's true. Santa Claus has got something for you. Oh yeah.
For a quick $5 centerpiece, I'm using a mirror from the dollar store, a small wreath, 2 picks, and a candle, and I'm surrounding the candle with a few balls from the Dollar Tree package. That's it. Quick, easy, and under $5. So thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell, which never works. The notification bell legit never works, but hit it anyways, and give this video a thumbs up to see more of my face. We'll see you next time. So thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. I don't know if you can tell, but I have a slight tickle in my throat, and it's legit a man cold, which I've never had before, but I have like a slight sore throat and a slight occasional cough, and I feel like I'm freaking dying. And I know it's a man cold because I live with someone who suffers from man cold-itis, which was a new thing for me. Like legit, when we first got together, the first couple of times, I thought he was dying. Like I was concerned for his life because he would lay in bed for days and moan and not be able to even do anything, and I'd have to bring him food, and it was crazy. And I never had experienced this before because my dad and stepdad were like super troopers, man. Like, I don't think they've ever called in sick a day in their life. My stepdad legit was like working and ripped his bicep from his shoulder, and it was like dangling in his arm, and he just kept chopping wood with the other arm, and it just healed like that, and it's all like weird and mangled, and he was like, whatevs. So yeah, I grew up with tough men who were never ever sick, so it's been a transition to deal with living with someone who has man colds. And my husband is a tough guy, and he's hardworking, but if he has a sniffle, if he has a slight fever, you're not seeing him for days. He's dying, and you need to wait on him. And I'm not trying to man bash, but it is legit a thing. And so I'm feeling like I'm dying, and I have a little throat tickle. So I'm calling it a man cold, yet I'm up here making this video while he's upstairs in bed because he also has a throat tickle. That's not the point. Let's all unite. I love him. You love your man if he's suffering from man colditis. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you know someone who suffers from man colds. I think that's all. We'll see you next time.